Guys, I got 2 new knives sent to me by Artisan, Cutlery, and CJRB. This is new to me because I don't have much Artisan cutlery. Actually, this is my very first Artisan cutlery knife. I've had a pyrite before and it was a lefty variant. Let's go over these. So the first one here is the pyrite Bowie. And this one is a button lock with a thumb stud as well. And it looks like you have little, ooh, yep, you got a little finger groove there. So that way you can deploy it with that as well. I gotta say that CJRB pyrites are the fun fidgety knives that I have ever handled. Aside from Demko Knives, this knife is super fun to toy and play with. So you got your thumb stud there, multiple deployments. You got your button lock here, so you can actually deploy it with the button lock, or you can do it with finger rollout with your thumb. You can spidey flick it with this finger hole right here, or the finger groove that they have on the knife, or you can actually use that back thumb stud to spidey flick the knife as well. Taking a look at it here, it has like this hardwood design with aluminum. The blade itself is actually their new AR RPM 9 steel. Don't know nothing about it, but I knew that it was one of the first ones that was integrated by CJRB. You guys can definitely correct me if I'm wrong in the comments there, but this knife unfortunately is only right hand carry. Definitely wish it was a left hand carry so I can have it in the rotation. A new look to the pyrite series, and I actually have a lefty pyrite, which, let me see. I actually have the lefty pyrite here, and this is the Warncliffe version, lefty specifically. And I believe the blade is it Nitro V? No, it's also the AR RPM 9. It's a good knife. I love it. It has the carbon fiber inlays, titanium scales. This is the differences between the two. So this one only has the finger hole. It doesn't have the thumb studs. This one has multiple other deployments, and that's the differences in the blade shape there. So pretty cool. Awesome knife. And another one that they have here, which is a premium knife. This is the ATZ 1872G. So this one here, definitely a lot more premium. As you can see here, has a little bit of milling right there on the titanium scales. And then it is a front flipper. And that right there is S90V. Very nice. Super sharp. It is a frame lock. That's the only thing with it being an ambidextrous knife and still having the frame on, or the lock on this side, kind of gets in the way when you're a lefty, you know? So you gotta really finagle with it a little bit. But if I have it on the right side, I really don't have an issue because I could just flick it with my thumb, or I could use my finger, index finger, oops, there we go, to just deploy it. This is what you're looking at here in terms of the ATZ. I really like this. I mean, in hand, really good profile, fits the hand well, 4-finger grip there, like the blade shape. Action is phenomenal. Those are the 2 knives that were sent to me by Artisan Cutlery and CJRB. Check them out. I'll have a link in the description below. Peace.